Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure your workspace is clean and static-free. You will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Gather these tools before starting the process. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkBook 15 G4 AIP and disconnect it from any power source. Ensure you also remove any connected peripherals. Next, we will remove the back cover to access the keyboard screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. After all the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. Once the cover is off, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to inspect and clean any dust inside. This can improve airflow and performance. Now, locate the keyboard connector. It is usually a flat, ribbon-like connector attached to the motherboard. Before disconnecting it, ensure that you have an anti-static wrist strap-on to prevent any static damage to the components. Gently lift the connector using the flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage it. With the connector detached, you can now remove the screws securing the keyboard in place. There are typically 4 to 6 screws holding the keyboard down. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once all screws are removed, carefully lift the keyboard from the top edge. You might need to use the spudger to gently pry it up if it feels stuck. Now that the keyboard is free, take your new keyboard and align it properly with the laptop chassis. Ensure that it fits snugly into place. Before securing it with screws, reconnect the keyboard connector to the motherboard. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. Next, secure the keyboard by replacing the screws you previously removed. Ensure each screw is tightened but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the keyboard. Finally, replace the back cover of the laptop. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Now, use your Phillips screwdriver to replace all screws on the back cover. Before powering on your laptop, if you're unsure about the process or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel, just a simple quote before repair. Power on your Lenovo ThinkBook 15 G4 AIP to test the new keyboard. Ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If there are any issues, do not hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. With these steps completed, you have successfully replaced the keyboard on your Lenovo ThinkBook 15 G4 AIP. Enjoy your newly functioning keyboard. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.